I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy these apps. These are really crazy apps that they are available worldwide and they're going to be helping you earn money. Yes, if you have a cell phone, you have an internet connection, this video is definitely for you. I don't think I have mentioned these apps in any other video. I think this is the very first time I'm talking about them. So please make sure you're going to be watching the entire video. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to show you apps that are going to be help you guys earn money even on your spare time. Okay. So let me show you everything and please make sure you're going to be watching the entire video because I want to make sure that you're not going to miss anything, especially the bonus that I'm going to be revealing here. Now, let me share with you everything. Let me make sure that we're on the same page. I'm going to be sharing with you my screen. First of all, guys, let me tell you a disclaimer here. I mean, this is a situation that has been happening. First of all, there is someone, a person or a group of people who are creating fake YouTube profiles, okay? Asking people to reach them via WhatsApp. Okay, I don't use WhatsApp. So if you notice that there is someone reaching you with my picture, with my profile picture, asking you to reach them on WhatsApp, that's definitely not me. Another situation that I realize, and this is because the community let me know, is that there is again, there is a person, there is a company, there is a group of people who knows that they're using part of one of my videos and they took it out of context. Okay, they took it out of context and they are showing it on this video as if I'm using an app. I'm not 100% sure if this app is a game, but what people told me is an app that is promising, you know, people to make money online. I'm actually do not use any kind of games to make money online. I'm not promoting that. Okay. Someone, as I told you, it's using part of my video and they took it 100% out of context and they are using me as a testimonial. So if you saw a video that it's outside of this YouTube channel, hey, report it. Okay. Because that's definitely not me. Now, let me show you everything step by step. Let's go to the strategy. Okay, this is the very first app that I'm going to be talking about, guys. This I know that some of you are going to be like, "Wow, this is going to be mind-blowing. Why are you sharing this? This must be the last app because it's really, really cool." This is easy money, as they say, okay? Because literally you're going to get paid when you're not using your cell phone. Yeah, you hear right. You're not using your smartphone. You just connected, you have a plug, you're charging it, and you have a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so they don't drain your battery or they're not going to be using any data, and you are going to be earning money. Okay, so simple as that. You don't need to lift a finger. Literally connect your phone, your smartphone, and you know, they are actually going to be paying you for that. So important, guys, is that there is no snooping. They are do not have access to your personal information. They're not going to see your photos. They're not going to see your videos. Not going to be listening to your conversation. Okay. They don't precise your location. There is no ads. Okay. I know that there are other apps out there that you need to be, filling out surveys, watching apps, clicking here, clicking there. They don't need that. You won't have ads, okay? They are not going to display ads. They are not going to connect any information. They are not going to be selling you everything or anything, okay? So that's actually really, really amazing. And as they mentioned, no evil, which is basically they're not going to be using the cell phone processor, okay? So really simple. What's the name of this app and how you can get it? The name is Phone Paycheck. Okay. By the time recording this video, it's only available on the Play Store. Okay. It's only available on the Play Store, or you can also go to neocortex.com. Then you're going to click here where it says Phone Paychecks, and you're going to be landing exactly on the page I am actually sharing with you. Okay, chances are that in the future, this is going to be available also on iPhone, but at the time recording this video, it's just available on the Play Store. But don't worry, guys, if you have an iPhone, I have other apps that I'm going to be sharing with you. The next one is called Amazon Mechanical Turk. Just in case that you are like, hey, Amazon, well, that sounds familiar. Yeah, Amazon is actually the same Amazon that we all know, that we go and we purchase things, the marketplace. But here they are actually helping people, okay, earn money. What are you going to be doing? You're going to be doing micro tasks, okay? This is something on demand, so you're not going to be a contractor. If there is a company out there who needs your help and you have the skills and you have the time, you can do it, okay? Because this is something on demand and this is actually something that is working 24/7, okay? Really easy for you guys if you have, a full-time job and you need to earn some extra money, or if you don't have a job and you want, okay, you want to earn money. This is also an opportunity here with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Once you're ready and you're like, hey, I want to join, you just need to click here, get started with Amazon Mechanical Turk. Then you're going to land on this page and you have two options. You can create a task, which is not the option that we're going to go. We are going to go with this one, make money. Okay. You're going to be making money in your spare time and you're going to get paid for completing simple tasks. Okay. Here you're going to request a worker account. Okay. If you already have an Amazon account, you can connect that account to the Amazon Mechanical Turk program. Okay, so another opportunity for you guys to earn money. Okay, here we have another one. Okay, but yes, I know we don't like surveys, but trust me, guys, this is one that is actually mind blowing because they do have really high payouts. Okay, it's called Prolific. Here on Prolific, you're going to be contributing to the world changing research. Okay, you're going to be earning money by sharing your unique experience today. You're going to see that they have been featuring several places. And this is something easy, fun, and as I mentioned, is unusual research. Okay. An example here, they are paying £8, okay, an hour. Okay. Listen to the sound. What shape do you imagine? Okay. What shape do you imagine? That's going to be a question. Imagine you're a member of a jury. What you will decide? Okay. And you're going to get paid $9 an hour. Okay, so really easy, really simple. One cool thing that I like about this is that the minimum payment, and you hear right, minimum, it's $8 per hour, okay, or £6, okay, $8 per hour, and you're gonna have the opportunity to enjoy bonuses and instant cash outs, okay. This is 100% anonymous. Okay, you're going to be contributing to the science. This is 100% confident. Your identity is going to be protected. And cool thing is that it's going to be flexible. Okay, you're going to work or you're going to do the task whenever you want. Okay, it doesn't matter if you're a consultant, if you're a student, okay, if you have some kind of experience or not. This is definitely a place that you will need to take into consideration. One cool thing that I like is the fact that they pay via PayPal and you can get paid 2 times per week, which is Tuesdays and Friday. Okay, so if this is something that you would like to be on, you would like to participate, hey, you can join Prolific. You can also, guys, use the 3 websites or the 3 apps that I mentioned before so you can earn money, okay? There is no limit, okay? There is no limit. You can combine them all. And also remember, at the beginning of the video, I told you that there will be a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can earn even more money online. And if you want something that is passive, okay, so you're going to be earning passive income, okay, because here, yeah, with Prolific, it's actually really amazing. they're going to be paying you and all so on, but you need to be there. You need to be in front of your computer. You need to be answering questions. But if you want something different and you want to be earning passive income, check the very first link in the description with what is my number one recommendation to make money online. Okay. And if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.